Good morning, DJ. It's Wednesday, July 9th. The time is currently 9:15 a.m. What's good, DJ? We finally got news this today, so it's an optimal day to take a trade. Not that, yesterday and the day before, it's not very optimal, right? Because there's no news. So, hey, I'm still trying to learn how to navigate those days, but with more experience, we'll get better. Anyway, let's dive straight into it today. All right. Woke up today at 7:30. Didn't get up. Like I laid down, my eyes was open. Didn't get up. Didn't get up. Moving on to like 7:34. So 4 minutes of laying down time. Very happy about that. But I was up even like before my 7:30 alarm went off. I was just like, when is this alarm gonna go off? Type shit. But yeah. So I woke up at a decent hour. Okay, got my morning routine in. All right, exercised. I don't exercise in the morning. I stretched, I meditated, I read, wrote down my goals. Okay, and I hydrated as well. So got my morning routine in there. Arrived at my desk at 9:10. All right, as always, my weekly target is 5%, and my daily target is $500. Mental check-in, feeling generally okay. All right, excited to see what price action has in store for us today. Excited to grow and get 1% better as always. All right, so generally nothing of note to report right now. Okay, but yeah, I'm okay. Just some little doubts and fears that tried to creep in, but I tried to shut them down and not focus on it. So generally, I'm in a great mood. I'm in a great place and where I'm at in my journey, and I just have to keep. It's repetitive now, so I'm just doing the same things day in and day out, and yeah, and I will see where we're at in the next year, 2 years, 5 years. We'll see. Risk disclaimer, I accept any risk that comes with trading today. I understand that trading comes with real risk and that losing is part of the game. News, thank God. We got news today. Okay, we got high impact news coming out at 10:30 and FOMC this afternoon. Okay, so I anticipate morning price action to be not so clean, all right, but we're here anyway, all right, but I'll for a better price, we'll get better price action, should get better price action in the PM section after FOMC minutes comes out. So we have news today. Okay, making an optimal day to take a trade. Risk going into today is same. Nothing changes. 5 for pro trend trades, 3 for counter trend trades. If we're trading the other account, the combine, we're at 3 and 2. Okay, so that's that for that. Weekly condition going into this week is a buy program. Okay, let's go ahead and review price action overnight to see if anything's happened to change that for me. For us here at I'm the Trader. That's what I should be saying. It should be everything should be us here at I'm the Trader, because this is how we're gonna be. So collective unity. Um, yeah, so dollar bill, yeah. All right, seeing some retracement into the range here. Failed to make it to it made it close to EQ, equilibrium of the 20-day range there. All right, but it's coming to its premium. Didn't even make it to constant encouragement. Bodies are closing right at the low of the CB there. So potentially could have done its retracement already. I mean, it could be not done its retracement already. Be done with the retracement is what I'm trying to say. All right, so dollar store risk on scenario came in and dollar lower NQ should be going higher. Do have a busy here, so just pay attention. Do, do, do. Oh my diddy days. So let's see if that keeps price higher. Even this daily inefficiency, right? The wicks do the damages, the bodies tell the story. Wicks go outside, bodies are closing right at the low of that inefficiency here. So let's see. All right, paying attention to it. M and Q, all right. Ooh, turning around. So let me take the high, that keep higher. Came into the main threshold of this daily bullish order block, all right? And it seems to be holding up, all right? So wicks do the damage, body tells a story, nobody closer near the main threshold, just in the open of that order block. So yeah, as far as my current understanding of price action goes, nothing's really happened in price to change my weekly program. All right, so still in a buy program here. Cool. Let's carry on. Carry on. Yesterday I ended morning session, so I pretty much only just have open range for the morning. Didn't do the PM session because one, I had the upper drop, and two, just didn't feel like it. Plus, I didn't really miss much. No, nothing really happened in the PM session yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was a weird day. It just kept. It was like felt like a seek and destroy. Took low, came up, took high, came down, took low, came up, took buy side. Yeah, took a low, came down, took a low. Hmm. Anywho, let's go. PM session in London on the same high there. Anywho, let's do the dailies first. Get my dailies out the way first. Didn't do my thing yesterday, did I? Go do it today. Well, that means I gotta leave those dailies up there. Anywho, yesterday, Monday, Tuesday, gotta go on Friday. So yeah, London low is the same, Asia low is the same, Asia high is the same. AM session low remains the same, which is I think will be the low right now, right? All right, let's do our highs. 2 p.m. Which buy side, same as AM session, which is currently getting liquidated right now, just 12 p.m. Oh my God, I hate this. They click like 2 times for it to do some shit. Covered, covered, covered. Just London high, that's different. Scale down lows then. 2 a.m. Yeah, lunch low. It's the same as all here. And then we have 1 p.m. Same. We have that as 1:30. London high. We have that's 5 p.m. And that's the same as that right there. We could have that already. So I'm seeing, I don't know if I'm mornings. I get to have that, but AM session low 10:45. That's probably the 10 low. So, cool. And 30 about to kick off. Kicking off. Breaking out dealing range was already a dealing range high, so already time. Only wrong chart. Below price, okay, so premium gap up. Why have these highs again? Nope, not. Certainly do not have those highs up there. Let's get that in there. 9 p.m. on Thursday, 12 p.m. The same in both time frames, so we'll take that. taking that high, so this should keep price high on too. Take this high. Let's see. Oh, should be this one. Keep an eye on it. I don't like it. Let's see if it'll keep price higher then. The views are busy here. I've noticed that usually this is very powerful. Oh, pay attention. I don't need to draw on that. Did leave a busy, so order filled. I lost that. Order filled. Cool. So get price higher. Maybe I should wait for that to take. Interesting. Let's follow it though. Eh, Feel like this just makes me so happy. Oh, it makes me so happy. Even though I'm not in it and I just took a L, it just still makes me so happy because it's there in it. Oh, mate. But anyway, I'll be taking something off here, okay? Just because we're in a premium already. So I'll be managing it like a counter trend trade. So something will be coming off here already. First partial 676 will be here. All right, first partial right there. Let's also track this one because this was also a second entry here. That one's hit its first partial already as well. But let's just follow one at a time because that's just too much shit going on there. Technically, we can follow it on 30 seconds because, sorry. So this would be going in at 3. Yep, 3. First partial here and then 2 coming up there. So that would be it. New highs coming, new highs coming, new highs coming. And you'd be at break even here already after 2 partials. So I can trust that moving forward now, innit? So 2, 3, 4. Second partial. Yep, no denying that. Oh, well, it would have been hit down. All right. I want to see this become an inversion for value gap since we've taken that high now. 101.75, 101.25. Yep. Well, it really should be this one. I'll be paying attention to that tiny one as well here. New highs, baby, new highs. Second partial getting smashed on the second trade here. Third partial, we're looking at 10. Nope, hasn't been hit. Oh, no, yeah, it's 11. We're looking at 10, hasn't been hit. So this one would have allowed you to take something off, then would have come and taken you off for a small loss there. So let's see how this holds up. News comes out 10:30. Nah, didn't get hit. Oh, 9. We're looking at 10. Plausible deniability. There you go. Third partial on that trade. Solid stuff. That makes me happy. Two, three, four. Last entry on the 15 seconds for me here. If it goes, then it'll have to be a 1 minute. Order filled. Thank you. 1125. I'm sure it could be this buy too. But just panning out here. So if he wants to just continue going higher, that could have been it right there. So let's see. Oh shit, I just put this randomly, right? I'm tripping. Oh, that's so funny. Around 10 o'clock, 9:30. One more minute to confirm here. I think it's going to be solid. So see if this keep price higher then. Opening range buy side and sell side confirmed. Paying attention to this CB here, see if he keeps price higher. We haven't taken this low, so this is still in effect, technically. Wouldn't that be some shit right there? What's the low? 70, 75. It's a few ticks away. Order filled. Thank you. Be coming to take me out. If he comes and take me out here for a small loss of $36, but we're keeping risk. Order filled. Thank you. Wait. Tanker. Let's see what else this trade offers us today. Solid trade. Solid. Gave you multiple opportunities here. Q. Yeah, and a sell here. Let's adjust dealing range. We've got prominent high there. Potential sell here on a 1 minute. Well, all time frames really. 2, 3, 4 last entries right there on a 30 second. We'll pay attention to this. We've got a winning trade of the morning, so no need for us to get into another trade here. So this will be the trade we'll be following. And also we're seeing how many targets we get on the initial trade we were in. But yeah, very happy with this morning though. Now I know I can trust these, so good. I like that. 3 partials he gave me. Second one gave me 2, which is fair. It'll be a break even anyway. Be coming to take you out there. Okay. And then this one's from 9:13 to 10, yeah. To like 10, 50. Yeah, to 10. Then he gave you the second. Cool. 2, 3, 4. Last entry for us here on the 30 seconds, which will be getting tagged in it. So let's follow it. All right, second partial smashed. Woo-wee! Let's go. Third partial, well, would be fourth partial, technically, because we took something off here. What a banger! What a banger! What a banger! This one would be well, we did go first partial already there. Trade of the morning is looking like, isn't it? This is another setup in itself right here in the 30 seconds. 2, 3, 4. Last entry here. Yeah. Solid stuff here. It's just rolling over after making new highs. Boop. Okay, so cool. Now, good. I want to see this, how price behaves in this inversion fair value gap, because this was a sell. Now that we took the high, this should keep price higher. So I'm paying attention here to see how that pans out. I can tell that my model is like really like helps with the higher time frame as well. So gives me something else to observe and see. 15 minutes giving us a sell here. 5 minute, 2, 3, 4. Yep, we've got 5 minute sell. coming into opening range sell side there and into equilibrium of the new dealing range. 2, 3, 4. Last entries here. Entry point for us here. I'm the trader. Me and one of my test doobies were both in this trade here. Love that. Fifth partial, smashed. Opening range, sell side, smashed. Whoa, the news 10:30, right? Where was it? 10:30. Oh, right here. Oh, that was that drastic drop there. I cannot wait, DJ, to have more capital and more contracts to play with, so I can really capitalize on moves like this. But either way, I'm so happy and pleased that I'm actually able to partake in moves like this, right? Even though I'm not catching the whole move, but that's the end goal, right? To be able to capitalize on the whole move. So yeah, I'm the trader capital. We out here, man. We coming, we coming. We coming. All right, could be potentially getting a buy here. Drop down into discount, took sell side here. Yep, yep. Post news, this could be the setup here. So we'll hang out a little bit more here. All right, DJ, before we get out, we'll hang out. I might get out before 10:50 macro. But I'm here. I'm here. I'm done for my morning session is done really, so Just chilling for now. For a little bit. Gain some little bit more experience. Why the hell not? Brrr. So buys confirmed. 30 seconds in. 15 seconds in there. Let's follow it. 2, 3, 4. So we have to be this low because this one confirms it. It's the high that brings you back inside. Is it? Yep, it is. It's the high. And the same high anyway. "30 seconds would have tagged you in there." Arr! Return trade. Let's see though. See how it pans out. This would be, even though it comes into a discount, we're still in the low probability zone. So we'd be gaining at 3 here, 3 contracts. First partial, second partial, regular management for that pro trend trade. Showing up, doing the same thing, looking for the same setups. Ooh, this is 2, 3, 4. It would have to be this candle involved in a fair value gap for the 1 minute to give me a buy here, which is not. So no buy on the 1 minute there. So just 15 seconds and 30 seconds. Decent enough. Whoa, whoa, whoa. So this morning we caught it up, caught it down. Now we're catching it back up again. Oh, we're not sure, what how much it will offer us here. But either way, still a sexy setup, like top tier setup. A minus setup, just because we don't have a market structure shift. But still a setup that we would engage in. What it gives us, right, is up to the market. So let's see here. Could we potentially gain a sell and a premium because we're still in premium. Well, below here is discount, right? P is premium, but low probability premium, right? So sell confirmed. City. Just didn't want to sink down. 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Entry right there. Confirmed on 30 seconds as well. One second, DJ, I'm gonna grab my pills. Take take probiotics and women's multivitamin for the health. You know, I'm getting old now. Man's a oldie out here. Go take care of the health and take them. I need help with the stuff, you know. Fuck, you know, I hate pills. I don't have water in my mouth before. Putting a pill in there, it's not going. Woo! Yeah. Okay, now that's over with. Fuck, you know. Hate them things there. Don't know how people do it. Call me an angel, there's call me no angel in this world. True love accept. 2, 3, tiny one in here. Take this buy side, short-term high. I'll be interested to see if this becomes an inversion and keeps the price higher. After coming from premium, buy model 2. So let's see. 2, 3, 4. Yep, 30 seconds confirm the buy here. 1 minute is about to confirm the buy here too. There were tiny fair value gap. That's still a fair value gap. Confirmed on 1 minute there. You know, potentially a sell here too is a high right there. So, and we're in premium. Oh, we began taking out. So now this, let's see if this keeps price lower. We are getting 2 sell models here. We've got sell model 2 and sell model 1. So 2, 2, 3, 4. Last entry there. 11 to 6 partial here. 7 to 5, which is, yep, right at the 2 here. So cool. One minute, it's about to confirm a sell. Potentially would have been tagged in here. Potentially would be a little bit below this. Do, 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 do. I'm gonna get out of here soon, DJ. My morning session is done, and I said once my morning session is done, I'm gonna start like getting out of here and not being here extra time that I need to be. For a lot sell side below price. Decent amount anyway. Do, do. About to hit. Consequent encouragement of open range gap. Ooh. They just dropped though. Main threshold is all the blood. Took that high. More sales, but now we're in discount. So risk wise, we adjust. And management wise, we adjust. Oh, that's 6 partial. Yep, 6 partial on that trade we were in there. They're not ready. They're not ready for us here. I'm the trader. They're not ready. Like I said, this is powerful. Can sometimes not come into here. DJ, I'm gonna head out of here because I'm just that was just more than enough for me to handle it today. That was more than enough for me to handle it today. Boy, God. What a beauty of a morning. Ooh, we love news days. Hello. The past 2 days has not been like this. For sure, 100%. PM session, we have F1C. Okay. Oh, shit. Let me do a trade performance review and then um let's get out of here for the morning. What I did well today is that I showed up, okay, powerfully. I got 1% better. I gained experience and learned lessons, okay. Actually, I'm very proud of myself for like not I'm not mad that I wasn't, in this trade that when I took a loss here, I didn't jump back on board. I'm not mad about it. I'm very happy and pleased to have able to have witnessed this, all right. And to have been like, okay, now I didn't get in this initial one. I'm like, okay, we took it out. Let's see if buy model two obviously plays out, and then it did. So it gave me the extra confidence, extra boost, all right, to let me know that next time I can trust it, right, to get in. And even if it doesn't pan out, losses are the only thing promised to traders, right? So I had yeah, I would have been, I should have, well, should have, could have, would have, should have. Yeah, so next time, it gives me the confidence next time to be able to jump on board, even though I didn't take this sell and saw this buy. I'm like, okay, yeah, obviously I would have managed it accordingly, but yeah, this was a valid setup, okay, and yeah, go 1% better by being able to witness it and actually pay attention to it, and it gave me three partials. Then we caught the real move coming down as well. So yeah, very happy I didn't also get into this one as well. Okay, so because we had buy side right above it, and I know it can turn, but I've been burned a few times doing this. I mean, obviously sometimes it's panned out, sometimes it doesn't. But really, I'm like, yeah, you're so right here. Even if you do go, that's fine. You go without me then. But I was anticipating this, so yeah, solid morning for me. Really happy and pleased with my performance. All right, doing good, girl. Where I fell short, this AM session, I don't think I fell short anywhere really. I think it was a really solid morning. I paid attention to price. Yeah, I when I didn't feel comfortable to get in a trade, I didn't get in the trade. I taped Reddit. All right, that was the first initial trade. I'm like, okay, so now that you've done that, let's see if buy model two pans out. We're already in the premium, deep premium. So I wanted to just pay attention to it, still collecting data on when and where I can actually like partake in opposite trade in opposite zone. So yeah, that just added another data point for me to go by saying that, hey, okay, it works out, right? You can get in the trade. So yeah, I don't think there's anywhere for sure. Wake up time was on point. Morning routine got done. Chart wise, I don't think I fell short anywhere, DJ. I managed to trade accordingly. Risk wise, I was on point with risk. Okay, so yeah, I'm very happy. Yeah. How I can improve for next day, next trading session is just keep doing what I've been doing. Okay. Keep showing up. All right. Keep aiming to get 1% better. Keep seeking excellence in my trading. Okay. Keep collecting. Oh, okay. I'll come back when I'm done here. Keep collecting the data that we said we're supposed to be collecting, which is what just popped in my head, and adjusting as you know the data says to adjust. And don't let short-term adversity or losses or series of losses all right, deteriorate. Yeah, no, deteriorate means to die out or deter me from, what I got going on and what, yeah, I forgot what that word is. It just escaped my mind for a second. But yeah, other than that, just keep following my processes, my procedures, my protocols, my routine, everything that I've set in place, and pretty much is same thing, just a different day. Same thing, just a different day, right? So some days it will be a positive outcome, some days it will be no outcome, some days it will be a loss, a negative outcome. But either way, the outcome's out of my hands. Today, the trader showed up and she did her job. She let the analyst lead. We don't even talk about the gambler because the gambler ain't even is nowhere to be found nowadays, you know. She's off gambling somewhere and not here though. But we love that. Love this for me. And yeah, DJ, let me go and pay attention to what I need to pay attention to, collect the data on what I need to collect data on, and get out of here. Yeah. So, oh, I didn't quite give you an entry on that one. He's doing his thing, right? Do his thing and um buy model two is what I'm trying to look at here. Paying attention to the stock. Well, this one would have been fine, right? Because the fair value gap or inversion fair value gap low here is also the swing low, okay, and also is decently sized, okay, to put the stop here and not feel no type of way about it. So that's fine. And same for the second one as well. This inversion fair value gap, the low is also the swing low. But the body, that will be cutting it close, right? Body cutting it close. But that the last candle that obviously confirms the fair value gap, that low will be fine and that low will be fine. In terms of this this example, yeah, swing low is a decent size from where is that. It's not like, so nothing to collect there, but that's fine. That would be regular. Oh man, oopsies. On this one, boom, when we took it, came back in here. Fair value gap low would be here. And it would have come get taken out. Either way, this trade, wherever you put your stop, would have taken you out. So at least here it would have been for less of a loss. It would have tagged you right here and taken you out right here. Yeah, and wouldn't have offered you any partials anyway. Nothing to collect here, and it didn't come back inside here, but either way, stop for this trade. I do see that once we have this, it's very powerful, and sometimes it doesn't come back into the inversion fair value gap. It just takes the regular fair value gap that it creates in the same, vicinity. Well, stop here would have had to be this candle high. Oh no, this candle high here. And you would have been fine. But at the swing high too, between this low and this low that takes the low, this high, I think I would have been fine with that too. Not bad. It's not bad distance, right? So yeah. Okay. Data collected there. This not much to collect on this one. This one's regular. Okay, those I would have put them the stop exactly where it's currently supposed to be at the lowest, the highest point between the swing low and the swing low. So that's fair. That's a fair observation there. Keep that. Boom. Let's see if this keeps price higher in the discount. But yeah, DJ, that's it for me this morning session. We'll be back here for the PM session for F1C. All right, no trades will be taken before F1C. I'll be waiting post F1C to get into trades. Okay, so yeah, solid stuff. Slowly but surely. All right, we'll get to where we need to get to on this account. No, no, no. Crawling out, crawling out, crawling out and draw down there, crawling out. Other ones fresh, untraded, not being touched. Express. Yep. All right, DJ. I'll see you in the PM session. As always, I'm the trader. Signing out. Good luck. Good trading. Keeping it high there. Happy hunting.